Hello, welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I have my monthly stickers from Pipstickers. So it is the Pro Sticker Club, and as always they give you a nice little postal card, and this one says we love our postal workers. That's cute. So that came in the, and then it comes with the booklet, and it talks about the person who did the stickers for this month inside, and then there's other little games that you could play, a note from Mo, and then it reveals the next month's Pro Stickers and kid sticker, but I'm not gonna do it just in case somebody's waiting for theirs. So let me show you the first sticker. This one is called Popular Packages. Loving the roller skate, the little cassette tape, the flip-flops, and the little mushroom. So that's cute. And then the next one is, this one is called All the Right Stuff. So you have your little letters, the little wax seal, the ink, the wax seal candle, the pens, the ink splatter there. So that's cute. Next one is called Passing Notes. That's cute. The little composition notebook and the little origami heart and the origami little corner bookmark. I used to make those in school. And then this one is the Cappy Mail Couriers. So I don't know what that little animal is, but they're so cute. I think they are in the water. So anybody knows, put it down in the description box below. So it's everything mail type of thing. And then now the larger ones. This one is called Air Mail Adventure, which is so cute. Loving the old mail postal thing there. The next one is Snail Mail Sneak Peek. That's how that looks. And I do use all of my stickers. So, and then the last one is Think Outside the Box. So that's how that looks. And that is my Pipstick December monthly kit. So that's that. And let me show you my scrapbook.com haul. So let me show you first the free items that when I bought they gave me. So they did give me the scrapbook and cards book for free. They did have the magic mat for free, and then they have one of these ink blending tool for free. So that is what I received, and this is what I bought. So I did buy the enamel dots for Fall Fever Echo Park. I'm loving the colors. Then I picked up this contour Stampera contour in gold, and it's a very thin line. Loving the little gold thing there. I'll show you how that works when I use it. Then I picked up these little dividers, the vinyl label dividers, and I'm going to use them for my stamps and dies, the little small ones that I have on the CD sleeves. So I'm going to use that to divide like animals, flowers, dolls, girls, things like that. That's how I'm going to divide my stamps and dies together. And then I bought another one of these for my larger ones. And again, these are the vinyl label stickers for tab dividers. And they do come with the little colorful dividers there. So I'm going to start, hopefully, making them in order by the category. Like if flowers goes with flowers, dolls or girls goes with that, you know, and so forth. And then I picked up this set. It is called the Hello Winter, and it says Winter Wishes, and then it has the little bear, and then it has Hello Winter and the little sweater weather and the beautiful fox there. And it does come with the dies, which I'm loving. So, and it does have little snowflakes right there and there. So, and it does cut it out, the snowflakes. And then it came with the paper pad, and it's 5 sheets in all, 230 GSM. So let me show you how they look. And they are double-sided. So that's the back of that one. And then that's the front of that one. That's the back of that one. That's the front of that one. That's the back of that one. And the front. The little bear. Oops. And then it has birds. Some flowers. Some trees. That one. And then the lines. The silver, and then it's some trees, and then another darker silver, and then some flowers. So that's kind of cute. And then I picked up this that was in sale. It's the gel plate storage, and you could put all 3 plates that she has in here. So I do have these 2. I just need to get the circle one. Oh, maybe I don't. I just could have the 2, and so it'll keep them nice and straight so that it won't get damaged. So that is my scrapbook.com haul and my Pipstick sticker. I'll be back with my rubbernecker haul, and then after that I'll have my Happy Mail from Alexandra L. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on future videos like this. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.